Flexible workspace. Citrine is designed for creating a workspace according to the user's choice of functions and data visualization. Multi-well production data can be assessed in different plots to enhance performance investigation and improve confidence in recovery forecast. This video demonstrates how to create data plots, user-defined formulas, and custom plots in Citrine for data visualization and well performance investigation. The default dashboard contains the following plots: rate versus time on a semi-log plot, rate versus material balance time on a log-log plot, inverse of rate versus square root of time plot, and rate versus cumulative production on a semi-log plot. It is possible to change any of these plots. To do so, right-click on the plot you wish to change, say the log rate versus cumulative plot. Go to Plots in the menu and select another plot in the drop-down, say rate versus time. X and Y axis of each plot can also be changed individually. This is accomplished by right-clicking on the plot and navigating to Plot Properties to access the Plot Definition dialog. The X-axis section shows the plotting options for the X-axis. Observe that dynamic data types are displayed in green, formulas in red, and well properties in blue. The Y-axis properties can also be selected from the drop-down list. Notice that each axis could be set to a log scale by toggling the corresponding log scale checkbox on. It is possible to plot a function created out of a formula on any of the axes. Let's proceed to create a formula and then use it directly on a plot. To create a user-defined formula, click on the Formula button. This brings up the Manage Formulas dialog. Click on the Add button and then enter your own formula. Let's set up a formula that normalizes the gas rate of each well by its lateral length. Define the formula name as Length Normalized Gas Rate. In the Formula field, enter the expression A over B. The Variables section is populated with the entered parameters A and B. They need to be bound to the Citrine parameters. Against A, assign gas rate as its binding element. For B, assign well length. Observe that the formula we have just defined has an icon indicating that it is user-defined. Click Close to exit the dialog. The next step is to create custom plots and save them as templates that can be reused in a new Citrine project. Create a new Plot tab by clicking the New Tab button. Drill down to Plot tab and select any of the predefined plots from the drop-down. Select the Rate versus Time plot. This creates a single plot. Right-click on the plot, then select Dashboard followed by Split View vertically. This action creates a new blank plot. Right-click on the left plot and split it horizontally. Do the same to the right plot. Now there should be 4 plots. Right-click within a blank plot and set it to Cumulative versus Time. Right-click within another blank plot and set it to a Rate versus Cumulative. Set the last plot as Rate versus Time. Let us use the Length Normalized Gas Rate formula we defined earlier as a plot property. Right-click on the Rate versus Time plot and access its Plot Properties dialog. Change the plot's name to log of gas rate normalized by well length versus log of material balance time. Switch the x-axis data to the inbuilt formula material balance time and the y-axis data to our user-defined formula. Toggle the log scale option on for both axes to create a log-log plot. Then click OK to apply the settings and exit the dialog. To set this new group of plots as a default Workspace template, click on the Dashboards icon. This brings up the Dashboard Management dialog. Make New Dashboard the Diagnostic default. This concludes this video on Flexible Workspace. To learn more, please visit our website. For more information, contact support@kappaeng.com or your local Kappa office.